Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online.
Want the clearest indicator of your overall financial health and whether you're building wealth effectively? That indicator is your net worth, and tracking it is vital. Our net worth tool simplifies this by bringing your assets and debts together. In this video, I'll show you how to use it to get a powerful visual graph of your net worth over time, helping you make informed decisions. Let's get started.
Our net worth reports combine 4 different elements in order to provide you with an accurate net worth history. Those elements include your account balances, investment value, some of your debts, and any additional assets you have. Net worth tracking is a feature available to our ClearCheckbook Premium customers. Our net worth features include a dashboard gadget, as well as a report that shows your net worth history over time in both visual and text format. We'll start by looking at the net worth history report and the different elements that factor into your net worth. First, click on Reports at the top of the page, then click on the Net Worth History link in the Accounts tab. When the report loads, you'll see a visual representation of how your net worth has progressed over time. The black line indicates your true net worth, which is calculated by summing your assets and then subtracting your debt. The goal is to have this grow over time, indicating your net worth is rising. Each element that makes up your net worth is identified in different colored bars in the report. You can hover over the bars to see what they represent. This same information is shown in a table format below. The table has columns for the month, your overall balance value, investment portfolio value, sum of your debts, sum of your assets, and finally overall net worth. The overall balance column represents the sum of your account balances at the end of a given month. The more money you have in your various accounts, the higher this value will be. The next column, Investments, pulls values from any investments you've added to our investment portfolio tool. You have the option to manually adjust these values if needed by clicking the pencil icon at the top of the table. The debt column lists all of your debts and their value at the end of the given month. As you pay off your debts, this value will decrease, which is good for your net worth. The Assets column shows the value of any assets you've added to our Asset Tracker tool for each given month. Finally, the Net Worth column shows the sum of all these values. If you've been a long-time ClearCheckbook customer, you can change the report to show a longer duration than the default 2 years. Just change the drop-down list at the top of the page as needed. Like I mentioned earlier, we also have a gadget for our account dashboard, which shows you your current net worth. Let's take a look at that right now. From the dashboard, click the Add New Gadget link and then select the Net Worth gadget. The gadget shows your total net worth at the top of the page, plus a breakdown of how that value is calculated based on the different elements that make it up. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you start tracking your net worth and can reach whatever goals you set for yourself.